welcome to the launch of the Parish Home Garden Beautification Competition, which is scheduled to run from November 25th to December the 15th, where the winners of each parish will receive $1,500 for having the most beautiful garden. There's also prizes for a second and third within each parish of $1,000 for a second and $750 for third. The 11 winners of each parish will then compete for the grand prizes of first place $4,000, second place $3,000, and third place $2,000. The question is, how does one enter or get information from the competition? That's very easy. You will WhatsApp 234-3252, 234-3252. It will be an automated message that will ask you to give your name, address, pin location of where you are, and at a minimum or a maximum in this case of 3 photos of your garden. One must know the benefits that gardens have on the environment as well as the climate. We know the increase of carbon sequestration as well as the decrease in the carbon footprint that gardens do bring in. It's also the improved physical and mental health that borders well with that sense of accomplishment when you get into your garden. And it brings you with that connectivity with nature as well. We also can see the promotion of sustainable practices such as composting and using of the food scraps, orange peel, potato peel, bananas. We use those in our gardens. That helps restrict the impact on the landfill. So there's better productive use of your food waste. And then most importantly, supporting the increase in biodiversity preservation as well as plant diversity. So one has to see the benefits. And these are just a few of the benefits that gardening does. So we're asking Barbadians, come to join the competition, 234-3252. Tend to your gardens, and let's get back to the environment. Thank you.
Update on the tree planting?
Yes, we have an update on the tree planting. We have up to 5 winners. We did prizes for the first 5. The winner with 1,088 trees. Second place, 730. Third, 698. Fourth, 410. And the last one, 306.